That looks.
Ensure the budgie has enough water
Looks like they're watching it.
The bird will know how much to drink.
I learned that.
Change the water daily to prevent bacterial buildup.
These are my first birds, so even though Zeke's the white one, Zeke's a year old now.
Mineral blocks can also be bought too.
Chewy's only a few months. So it kept looking like they was watching it because they're not in their regular bird cage. Yeah. They're so funny.
This will keep these budgies safe from disease germs. Clean only with mild dish soap and water, and avoid using
We're learning, huh?
Unless you're 100% sure.
We're learning, huh? Yes, we're learning together.
Bird with a fine spray from a misting
we're learning together. Let's see what this one says. Yeah, you sound like a little puppy dog.
Be sure to subscribe. Tap the bell to get notified about
okay, what are we getting ready to listen to? Oh my goodness. There's like... So, Zeke, Chewy, look at that. I know what this is. So now they have where kids can watch other kids play. So is this so my birds can watch how birds play instead of playing themselves. See what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, don't you, Zeke? Ezekiel, yes. You know what Mama's saying? You know, girl. How about you, Choo Choo? It even looks like you guys. Well, kind of looks like you, Chewy, but... And it's going to an ad. You going to the big house now? Yeah. The rooftop. Yeah? Look at them. Look how they play. Ooh, that was tricky. I seen that. I seen it, Chewy. Look at you. You're just going to flip right in there. Nice. All right. So I guess that means we're doing good. Because that was awesome. That's all I need. All right. Well, Zeke, he knows his way around the whole room. So, good job, Chewy. Good job. They're like, turn this off now. I will gladly turn this off. Thank you.